Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting the Ajua search and any day the kind of day share me a mesro. Now what subscribe to my channel. We are now the ones that me a bell on so. Ube a notification. And it's an news at the betting the open your BT and as a win your share. GCN page here. Yvonne Nelson. In the training by or Ghana Hanom. No, feye papa. Na ye ka emba omoda so ejina omonan so e wo movie industry ni mo yentimi Yvonne enfim oguso a o produce ni movie a anya asem keto akora even 14th February o produce movie a nkofo ko anya asem keto akora bo no modi ye papa na Yvonne wakasa Yvonne e de ne nsem etudwa e wa bra okọ ora fifi prats ne entertainment program a hosti ewo Kingdom FM na eso na Yvonne ekoya odene nsem ekutudwa na Yvonne nsem a okan no enam owura fifi prat ne question a obisa Yvonne enentia Yvonne so enam so ema no sa answer na eden nsem na owura fifi prat ebisa Yvonne a enam so Yvonne so edisa anu yiwe eba no fifi prat ebisa Yvonne say yebeka ya abra omampani dada John Dramani Mahama na NDC omwa ban mu no Yvonne organize demonstration kesibu Ghana hanom a enya asem keto akra dumso demonstration emana Yvonne ebeji din yi papa na kame akoye say his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebayi Ghana fo bebre na eka say Yvonne we a hypocrite because abra omampani dada John Dramani Mahama eteso adumso ekoso no we demonstration Ghana fo ebotwi edi wachi Ghana fo complain bebre se na nado na membu enkoyie na adenti na de unye demonstration emfa ho na no na Yvonne kire se enye se na nado ensem ekoso wo Ghana ha wo na nado na membu imu no onka okọ Yvonne ne Twitter page and ende no de bia betum no de bia befem and sometimes me me who caption bia me say na Yvonne ade chese na Yvonne o kanadwin chana na do na de ade na Yvonne kire say enye se on kanadwin o kanadwin ba kame akoye say o tweet wo ne Twitter page ho a enya de a ekọ viral ti say de dum so no eye no because dum so no eya de bia na ha Ghana fo ye na ye be dance say na dum so ha dwin ye papa omo no mo ye coastal dumso eso mo adwuma omo ewo saloon a omo yeti dumso egu omo adwuma omo ye baba chese dumso no light edundum no it was serious ye na ebedi ho dance nti Yvonne so even enye Yvonne kra no beka something like this na enye ade a Ghana fo bebre na ya complain ya bre nti Yvonne yes obey ho demonstration one bre kra but na do ni di Yvonne say o tweet e wo ne Twitter page say na do ayese ana say amembu ni say na ekokora amanfo emfie no enti enye boa paye ana say bibi senti e na ebia onye demonstration but onya respond na onyai e wo omampanyida da John Dramani Mahama ne penso na eno e na Felix Apia a ono e na host program what ne din political zone oye NPP blogger o chese Yvonne Nelson enimi nyansa ancestor odemano nyansa nkwa no de emai because sisi na Yvonne oye den because dum so na yade ha Ghana for enti na Yvonne tweet ya ekwa echi a demonstration no etimi eba so no dey na de na waye na waye pa Ghana for Yvonne organize a demonstration na Ghana for impodi na echi na do ye hu ta enti yenja Yvonne Nelson ni yenja na nado na omomo wo mbra ni enti ensama Yvonne ede etudwa na de Felix Apia so ka kakra ede efa
You're a superstar.
All right,
God is a superstar.
Chairman,
You're a superstar.
Yeah, I know he's with me.
All right, next one, Airway. Yeah, me, Madam for Yvonne Nelson. Yeah, my fancy sister. And we push my fancy brother. My phone is here. We push my fancy brother, Fifi Pratt. And I'm going to come. Now, Chairman, people are saying, say, I didn't know Yvonne Nelson and Kwabonting, na onoson koye demonstration, say, or many more than yadi. And I love the answer she gave. I didn't ya. Chairman, untumi sorry one day pen ko kasa okwe demonstration. So nim sa. Martin Pebu.
Oh yes.
Martin Pebu. Oko Gigi and him so bad demonstration. You know Gina Hawk say, come on, people, come on.
Come out,
Police
come out.
Your message for the demonstration must resonate with majority of people.
Absolutely.
Just because it said what years come a few media for say young that is the totality of the nation. Ghana is over 32 million people. And you cannot box all of them into Onia TV and those stupid channels that support the fuckery they are doing. Now, girl, now someone all can say, Ebra doom so by the chairman or say no, right? Or tweety, people were there because Doomso was something that it resonated for business and buy a good.
Of course.
Movie phone to me, your movie. Cinema phone to me, was cinema.
A joy with Ghana. We lost
a
a
lot.
lot
Juba be free Ghana. So,
oh, yes.
They were able to come. But another hour, no biaba. President say Ukusi Cathedral. Into Yvonne Nelson and demonstration say President say Ukusi Cathedral. What is the fact says Anna President guy? Oh, what the one no biaba? Okuda block say President ADD Jari will play to quiet demonstration. Now so that quiet demonstration. A bear say Martin Pebu will be a ma. Because that's check. Because chairman last time I can't say na me gina we mi will be there. Na me kwa adwuma aka tem se menya adwuma me kom na me mra me demonstration are me ejimi fo but me nya adwuma ye na me ye dancer na myself for 50 years me the 29 I will join such a stupid demonstration. So that is what this girl was talking about. Say or tweeting the same thing or bash this government the same way or bash Omunina the same way, but the way it's here and for this so doom so no and yeah no na then air cost because people are discerning now and for where who she crown or call the chrome amehevia or who's a mevi kwan yaye or call bandaya who say banda kwan ye
and your green book scam so
what they are saying green book you can say temampaka dai railway who temampaka dai railway Yagani. Yako bi chebi lampe interchanger e wo ho tema interchanger wo ho tema le interchanger wo ho they see it entinya wo media for kakra na wetu omoka no utie abebe gina ho no enya wo media for kakra na wo sebe udi omebe gina ho no ene eba be bibi. You understand? People want to see why they should come outside to demonstrate. And that is why Yvonne Nelson was trying to explain to our brother.
Yeah. You're superstar.
Because God is a superstar.
It's a superstar.
Yeah, I know he's with me.
In the Ghana for Tewupa.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And you may be one I'm a mazin in annual saying Munia Bessia, Misuta, Bibiano. Nay, and you may be one say, or Rokoda. Ea Metze. Eo Yamayo. Ben de yaman from how I'm from a Bissau. Charlie, you did hear, and that mean that type of you, and my mission, and here now, Muhammad, how? My sister, the phone now, how? Obi today, Kevin Taylor. Oba, outer. It seems there. Ochawa de permit. Na demand the pay channel. As also shy ebeba out. Na vigil so a year for NDC na I beg place that the same AU moral code the economy makes more scenario code but on the impeded bekasa ho. It's in more.
I don't know who you're talking about.
In Yemen.
No.
Kevin Taylor in Yemen.
No.
But Ghana Furus today, they're able to that big vigil that year though to face whatever the crisis that we're going through right now. No, but the digna a keka a cultural war Twitter, but Bibi today, the former NDC time and Bosi saying on it to me back out. No na woods yo because who as a mother. Emma mentioned you fight for them, yasantua. By day na you quiet in to one man coffee be on ward in the day bia. Akaji jet tebina on it na aye common and pedeba out nazen. That mean you mean you know, me assure that it.
Oh yeah, me who Twitter.
Yeah.
But I get asked a lot. Question I get asked a lot, and I always say